Cadillac time here at Unique, especially in classics. 1996 Cadillac Fleetwood Brougham. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed miles, just a little over 57,000 on this one. Medium garnet red metallic, original California car. Of course, a 5.7 liter underneath the hood. It's paired up with an automatic transmission with overdrive. As we take a look at the front, chrome grille, hood ornament still intact. And as you can see, paint shows well on this one. There's a few spots, I mean, it's been driven, where you have previous owner taken care of it, has touched it up in a few spots. This vehicle will also come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. That's included in the purchase price. And it may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And you can call us at 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Of course, equipped with power steering, power brakes, AC. AC blows cold. Lobe tires, chrome wheels. Let's take a look down the passenger side of this car. You can see no corrosion around the wheel wells. And really free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches down the passenger side here, as you can see. Beautiful vinyl top. You also notice the smoke side glass, so know your local and state laws as far as the percentage of darkness you can have on your tint. If you notice around the doors, there is some lettering here. That is vinyl. That would come right off. Previous owner requested we leave it on till it is sold. It's one we have on consignment. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. A little Continental kit added back here. This would be removable if that's not your cup of tea. That would be removable. Full-size spare in the trunk. Does have an aftermarket Kenwood stereo that was installed. And the stock original one's still in a box that will be in the trunk also. Take your time looking through the still pictures. This is also vinyl here if you wanted to take that off. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. We also have an open door policy for third-party inspectors. You can't make it to check this car out yourself, want somebody else to take a look at it for you, report back, not a problem. Take a look down the length of the driver's side on this car too. Also free of anything major, nicks, dings, scratches. And again, no corrosion around the wheel wells. Does not appear this car has really been driven in inclement weather much at all, if any. Let's take a look at the rear seats. How much room there is in these cars, and they go down the road absolutely beautiful. You can see seating surface and seating area, very nice shape. Of course, your rear visors, mirrors, and lit for rear seat passengers. Power seats, of course, both sides, power windows, power locks, all your modern amenities that you're going to get on a mid-90s Cadillac. Heated seats, power lumbar, power recliner. Of course, tilt column with cruise. Take a look in the still pictures. This dash cover is not covering anything up. That's just on there to protect the dash. There's still pictures. There's no cracking, fading, anything like that. Take a look in the still pictures. Stereo working order. 57,907 exact miles. No check engine lights, anything like that. Just push the brake to shift, or push the brake in, that's going to go out. That's just a fasten seatbelt since I don't have the seatbelt on. Electronic climate control. Again, AC blows cold. Dash also in nice shape. Couldn't even hear the car running with the door closed. Very quiet interior. And then, of course, Leather throughout, nice and plush. Split bench seat, power both sides. Nicely, that door closes. Slip around to the back. Sounds as it should. Nice, smooth running, quiet Cadillac. Cars nowadays will not go down the road like this one does. I'm going to slip up to the front here. Let me pause this a second. I want to get the hood open. Let's check out the engine bay. We'll wrap up this video. All right, hood popped here. Now take a look at this hood liner. There's one sign that this thing has not been driven in much for inclement weather at all. Look at how clean that is. No grime in that hood liner. And take a look at this engine bay. Don't see corrosion. Nice and clean and tidy. Well maintained. Again, 5.7 liter V8. Automatic with overdrive trans, power steering, power brakes, AC. And smooth running. Want some 90s luxury? Here you go. 1996 Cadillac Fleetwood Brougham clean Carfax. Original miles. It's going to come with that 3-month 500-mile warranty protection plan that may be extendable out to 10 years. 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all the still pictures. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1996 Cadillac Fleetwood Brougham. The air conditioning is blowing cold currently. Both of our blinker indicators are working. Digital speedometer readout working well. Fuel gauge, also digital, is showing just under half. Very good acceleration in this Cadillac. We have a Kenwood CD player mounted in the dash. The FM is working well. Cruise control is functioning as it should. Our wipers are also working. This has very nice beige colored interior, leather seating, comfortable. Multiple position power seat with heating. You can also heat the seat. Burgundy color on the outside. Very comfortable car, very easy to drive. It is an automatic on the column. Corners well. Very quiet ride, luxurious ride. Showing 57,910 miles currently on the odometer. If you do see any flickering in the lights in the dash, that is just the car dash interfering with our camera's frame rate. The car itself is perfectly fine. Take a look at all the cars, pictures, and description at UniqueClassicCars.com.